Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn How, and in today's video I'm gonna show you that how you can solve this access is denied issue in Android 13 and 14. Whenever you open ZArchiver and try to access Android data folder or OBB, you can get this message. But in this video I'm gonna show you that how you can solve this really quick. So watch this video till the end and you will get your solution. So first of all, you need to go to the Play Store and download Shizuku app for this. So as you can see, I have already downloaded the Shizuku app. Just open the app and connect it with wireless debugging. You can get the wireless debugging into your developer options. So if you don't know how to turn on your developer options, just tap on the build number 5 to 7 times and it will turn on the developer options. You can get your developer options in your about phone section in some phones, and in my case I have Techno phones, so maybe I can get developer options in system, I guess. No, in my case it's gonna be in phone details. So tap on the build number 5 to 7 times and you will get the developer options. So now just open the developer options and go to debugging section and turn on wireless debugging. So when you try to pair the wireless debugging with Shizuku, it will be shown in the notification panel, so just connect this. So as you can see, my Shizuku app is connected. Now just start the service. And you have to do one more thing. You have to authorize permission to ZArchiver to use Shizuku. So I have authorized the permission. Now you have to go to ZArchiver and you need to go to settings first of all, and you have to go to root and you have to root by Shizuku. As you can see, I have selected Shizuku. Now you can copy paste anything into Android folder, OBB folder. This will be really helpful if you try to delete or try to paste anything into the Android folder or try to copy something. So as you can see, I'm deleting the folders and it's working. So thank you so much guys. If your problem gets solved, then leave a like onto this video and subscribe my channel for more tech solutions.